Welcome back, everyone. When many people think of cancer treatment facilities, they often think of places like Seattle, Salt Lake City, or other out-of-state cities. Turns out, though, folks in Montana, to find quality cancer treatment, require a trip no farther than Bozeman. MTN's Chet Lehman has more.
A diagnosis of cancer is as stressful as anything you could face. And for years, folks here in southwest Montana had the added stress of having to face treatment in another state. Now, thanks to a dedicated staff, that's no longer the case at Bozeman Health Deaconess.
So really short of some esoteric kind of clinical trials and specialty surgeries, really we can offer the exact same care here as you can in Seattle, at Seattle Cancer Care Alliance, I always say Huntsman Cancer Institute, MD Anderson, Sloan Kettering. The chemotherapy is the same here as it would be even on Mars.
Christine Appleton agrees. A cancer diagnosis and a growing family rocked her world. Dr. Thomas became her physician, and much more.
Perfect.
We nailed it with the socks today. Not knowing anything about kind of the cancer world, it was a little surprising, but again, so relieved, and I think actually better care because we are in a smaller town. And I really got to know the nurses, and Dr. Thomas became like the brother I never had, and I felt really good about if I have to deal with all this, then let's do it somewhere where I feel taken care of and like an individual patient and not just a number.
Southwest Montana also has other resources outside of the hospital treatment area that many much larger cities don't have. Chemotherapy and/or radiation are just part of the physical treatment. But here at Cancer Support Community, the focus is on social and emotional healing.
We have 6 dedicated support groups. We have about 50 programs every month, different kinds of programming that attend to different needs that people have. So we have the emotional support piece, we have physical health supports, so we have strength training and yoga twice a week to get people feeling well physically, because we know that people need emotional and physical health to get, well completely.
And again, that all happens here, not in some big strange city far away from family and friends.
It was huge to not have to travel. They don't like me going to Billings even though it's only 2 hours away, so I can't imagine telling them like, oh, mommy has to go out of state somewhere. That would have been the worst. My husband had a flexible job, and so he came to every treatment with me, which was obviously great because again, we were here in town 15 minutes away from the hospital.
In Bozeman, Chet Lehman, MTN News.
Well, Dr. Thomas tells us Bozeman Health is also in partnership with Seattle Cancer Alliance. So if patients do need specific or unusual care, they can easily have their files transferred or simply get a consultation with doctors at that facility.